What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2018 Dodge Journey open if the key fob dies or if the battery in the Journey dies. Like I said, I'm going to be demonstrating on an 18 Journey in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. So in either one of those scenarios, if the vehicle's locked and the battery in our fob's dead or in the vehicle, what we need to do is get the emergency key out of the bottom of our fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back, and the emergency key will slide out like that. And then we'll use this key to unlock the driver's door. And then once the door is unlocked and open, you can pop the hood and charge the battery or change it if the vehicle battery is dead. If the battery in your fob is dead and you need to know how to start the vehicle, we've covered that in another video, and I'll put a link to that video in the description box of this video, how to start the vehicle with a dead fob. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.